Stephen, it was so great for you to offer to tell a bit of your story here at Liaison College. Um, just looking back now, what was your first thought and why did you decide to come to Liaison College?
Um, First thought, I'd have to go back a bit. I started cooking when I was about 16, 17 now. And being born and raised in Hamilton, Liaison was always talked of as Hamilton's culinary school or the GHA's culinary school. So being a younger guy who has strived majority on my own, it has always been a dream of mine to come here. And a friend of mine, just out of the blue, was like, just go ask. Like, what's the worst that could happen? Just go ask. So sure enough, I came up, I asked, and in a very weird turn of events, I actually got to come here through the funding program that I use. And I actually, believe it or not, just from taking a step, was able to make my dreams come true.
That's fantastic, Steve. What was that funding organization that you were able to tap into?
That was great through an organization out in Brantford. As I was leaving, actually, to figure out how I was going to afford school and do school, they swooped me up and told me, hey, you got a chance. Do you want to take it? And I went from there.
And that was because you have an Indigenous background.
Yes, as well. I am Mohawk.
Fantastic. So, Steve, now that you're a student at Liaison College, just about to graduate, what are some of your fond memories of being here?
Oh, gee. Lots, honestly. So many. I wouldn't really be able to pick just one. Personally, as it stands right now, I'd say that the best day I've had would have been the day we did today, which was the chef of the day. Normally, we'd all do our own event, but due to the circumstances, while I went to school, we all got to work together and design a big multiple course meal. And it was fun. It was a bonding moment, and working with Chef Mike has been incredible. I have worked with many chefs over my years in and out of the kitchen, and it's been a lot of up and downs, but Mike has been fantastic. Working with him, it's always fun. You're always learning, and in every kitchen there's a bit of a heated or tense moment every now and again, and like I said, the guy always makes it fun and enjoyable.
That's great. And just one last question, if you don't mind, Steve, is if you could share a thought for new people that are considering coming into industry, what advice would you give the new person investigating the culinary industry?
The life of a chef is a difficult one. Remember how much it meant to you when you got here, how proud you were. Don't give up on that. Keep going. Take it day by day, and it'll all be worth it in the end.